Hiya. Right, welcome to Clive's Kitchen, where we cook away the stress of everyday life here in Wales. I'm using the Weight Watcher cookbook this evening. There's a fish recipe in there that I wanted to do. This is with 5 ingredients of fewer plus your store cupboard essentials. And I'm looking at some crispy sea bass with sesame noodles this evening. So I got this book from my Weight Watcher group, which I joined several weeks ago. As I said, this is the Weight Watcher cookbook with 5 ingredients. And on page 58 is the fish and seafood. We're going to be doing the crispy sea bass with sesame noodles for this evening. That looks nice. So I've got my ingredients all ready. I've measured everything out. I've got my sesame seed. I've got these wonderful things, which are the medium egg noodles. There's 200 grams in there, so this is actually 10 points in total, but there's 3 of us going to be eating this evening. Over here next to the stove, I've got some sea bass fillets. I'm going to use 4 of these. These were only £2.97 because they were on rollback. So, I think it was 2 for a £5, so that's not bad at all. Not bad. Pan fry in 5 minutes, I reckon, and they're boneless. So, without further ado, let's get on to prepping this up, because I am absolutely starving. My clothes are getting so baggy. Look. Okay, Weight Watchers. Let's see what this tastes like. Okay, so we need to bring a pan of water to the boil, add the noodles, simmer for about 6 minutes, and then they're ready. So, and then we can drain and serve. So they can take about 6 minutes. So while we do that, I think we'll start our fish. This is a non-stick pan actually, but I am going to put a bit of oil in there. And I got some garlic oil, which I'm going to use. I got one of these little spray bottles. I'm just going to put a little bit of squirt in there, not a lot. I'm just going to let that come up to heat. While I'm doing that, I'm going to get my fish prepared out of the packaging. Okay, pat the sea bass dry into with kitchen paper, heat the oil, which I'm doing in a large non-stick frying pan, place over a medium heat and cook the fish skin side down for 2 minutes, pressing it down firmly with a spatula until the skin is crisp. Gently flip up the fish and cook for a further 2 minutes until it starts to flake, and transfer to a warm plate and leave to rest for at least 5 minutes. Okay, so we've got that on, that's all nice. Is that ready? Near enough ready. I need to bring that water up to boil, and then meanwhile mist the frying pan, add the ginger, garlic, fry for 2 minutes, add sesame seeds, which I'm not going to put in, chili flakes and pak choy to the pan and cook for another 2 minutes, add the noodles, cook stirringly. Okay, so basically cook the fish, let it rest, get the noodles on, get the pak choy. The pak choy is in the fridge. Pak choy is in the fridge. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of, I think we'll have a bit of rice with this, because that's 10 points divided by 3, so that's a fish. We can afford to go 6 points with some rice. I'm going to get definitely going to put some rice on, I think. Why not? I've got some rice up here somewhere. Got it in my store cupboard. There we go. There it is. This is 6 points per half a bag. And this is going to go through 3 of us. 1 bag. I was going to say is 1 bag enough, but I haven't got any left, so one bag is enough. Tell you what I could do. I could actually make I could actually fry some egg with that, couldn't I? Scramble some egg and put some egg in that. I could have yeah, that would be nice. In fact, I'm going to make some egg fried rice. Right, we got a couple of eggs. Let's put some salt and pepper in there. Good to salt them. This is going to be my scrambled egg. I'm going to put a spot of skim milk in. Only a spot, don't need to point that because it's just basically a spot. It's just to allow that to scramble. Put that in the microwave for a couple of minutes. So what I'm looking for here is the change of colour from pink to white. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to flip them and then let them rest for a little bit. That's what the recipe says, let them rest for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to flip the fish now. I'm not a chef, I'm just a cook. So don't shout at me if this all goes wrong. I'll try and flip this fish. It's stuck there. There we go. Very delicate, this fish. It's a lovely crispy skin. There we go, that's from the Weight Watcher book. Crispy sea bass, no sesame noodles, but they're lovely noodles anyway, with pak choy, and I made some rice, egg fried rice as well. So that's out of the Weight Watcher book. So have fun, enjoy, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and let me know your thoughts on this recipe. Bye.